Hello ladies, my name's Pat Poole and I'm Chairman of Bucks Federation of Women's Institutes. We're all trying to stay safe and many of you will not be able to go into your WI meeting places for some time. So we need to provide a way for you all to engage and meet. This could be by turning to technology like Zoom. On the Bucks Federation website there are resources for all WIs and members, those who want to join, provide online meetings and events for your members. Online conferencing is appealing to younger and older WI members as most of us want to keep in touch with families and friends. We also want to connect with our WI friends as well. We are providing tutorials and guidance for Zoom on our website. This seems to be the more popular choice for online meetings. There are other options, so discuss this with your WI committees and members. Facebook, UE, that's the unofficial WI page, and WI Wanderers can also offer support. I do hope you find this information useful and help you all to come to grips with the technology. I have. I think you can all have fun with it.